Everybody, we will continue this chapter. Record relational operators. Relational operators are less than, equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to. These all are relational operators. The relational operator allows us to compare two similar types of operands and generally are used to change the flow of execution of program. Say for example, to give some discount to a customer, we may check for the amount of to purchase he made. If the exceeds certain defined amount, then we may give discount to the customer. This example may be represented in C as if total purchase greater than 10,000, discount equal to 500. C provides us with 6 of relational operator for the purpose of the comparison. C, check the equality between two operands, check the non-equality between two operands, check for greater value, check for smaller value, check for greater value or equality, check for smaller value or equality between two operands. You must be see this all operator. Observe that check equality of two operands we have used double equal to instead of equal to, as in equal to is used an assignment operator and double equal to is used an relational operator. Now next is increment and decrement operator. As per name, increment, that means increase the value, and decrement, that means decrease the value. These are the operator. At time we need to increase or decrease the value of a variable by 1. Such situation arises when set of statements are to be repeated. Here we need to use a variable that keeps a track of number of times a loop has been executed. We can achieve this objective by using shorthand operator. What is shorthand operator? Which are using with equal to sign. For example, we can use syntax variable plus 1 equal to 1 or variable minus equal to 1 for increment and decrementing. Underline this line. C provides two special unarray operator double plus and double minus for this purpose. These operators require only one operand. Double plus is known as increment operator, while double minus is known as decrement operator. Underline this line. The syntax for using this operator is double plus variable or variable plus plus, double minus variable or variable minus minus. Here plus plus and minus minus are used as either prefix or suffix to a variable. When it is prefix, we call it pre-increment or pre-decrement operator. When we use it before variable, it is a pre-increment or pre-decrement. When it is used after variable, it will be post-increment or post-decrement operator. The result of this operation though is increment or decrement in variable by value 1. The effect of this increment and decrement depends upon the way it is used in program. How you are using. Integer first equal to 15 and second equal to 20. Result equal to first plus second plus plus. Then the value of the result will be 35 or 36. Would be 35, not 36, while the value of a second at the time at the end of statement 2, the V would be 21, because first it will added, then it will be increased. So before increasing we are getting the result. That's why the value is 35, not the 36. Because a value 1 will be added, its old value 21. Note that post increment operator when used in expression uses the old value of variable to evaluate the expression, then it increments the value by variable by 1. Post increment only. Result equal to first plus second. It will get the value 36 because it will added before the addition. Before the first plus it will get the 20 from 20 it will be 21. Note that the pre-increment operator when used in an expression, the first increments the value of variable by 1, then uses the new value of the variable to evaluate the expression. It will add the 1 value before going to process it, then it will do the operation. Now next is conditional operator. As per name, it will get the condition. If result is greater than 35, he or she will be the pass. Otherwise, he or she will be the fail. We are using these operators in our Kelsey software. C provides us an operator known as ternary operator or conditional operator for condition checking. This operator is identified by combination of two symbols, question mark, colon. The syntax for using conditional operator is condition, true statement, false statement. C. Integer first, integer second, minimum. Minimum equal to first is less than equal to second, or first is equal to second. Printf. The minimum value of the two is percentage %d slash n slash n used for next line, and percentage %d is equal to used to declare this line. Percentage %d decimal value. See here, the first statement of the program defines three integer variables and initializes two of them. It also assigns value 100 and 500 to first and second respectively. Then we make use of conditional operator to check whether first is less than equal to second. If the condition is true, then minimum is assigned value to the first. The explanation is here. Now logical operator. At times we may need to evaluate multiple conditions together. It gives some output. While at times we may get an output even if one out of given set condition is satisfied. Such a relation is generally known as logical relation. For example, consider a case when a student gives exam of two subjects. The student now will be declared as a pass if he or she scores 35 marks in both subjects. Here the relationship can be expressed if the marks is greater than equal to 35. So this statement is used in these operator, logical operators. To represent such operations, C provides logical operators. C, double ampersand, logical and. These are double pipe, logical or exclamatory, logical not. See, logical operator. Logical AND is used when all given condition must be satisfied. Underline this paragraph all line. Logical OR is used when any one given condition must be satisfied. And logical expression gives as an output value either 0 or 1. Here 0 refers false and 1 refers true. I will conclude this session here. As can be seen, AND operator returns 1 only if both conditions are written 1. If both condition 1, AND will give you 1. If anyone will be 0 or will give you 1. See, this is a simple example. Example of AND or NOT operator. I hope this chapter is completed. A bitwise operator, ampersand, bitwise OR, bitwise NOT, bitwise exclusive OR, left shift, special operator. These are the special operator. You just read these contents, evaluation, type conversion, AND or NOT. Type conversion, you want to plot data type into decimal data type. Which type of this value? Automatic variable, external variable, registered variable. These all are variable. What is a registered variable and static variable? The static storage class when used along with variable that make variable value permanent within a specified region. A static storage class variable is stored permanently in primary memory. By default, assign a 0 value. So you must be read this summary. In this chapter, we learn about the basic data type, integer, float, character, and void. We also learned about the sum of the user-defined data type, type definition, enum, and array. We also saw how to assign values to the variable using assignment operator. Later, we looked at various operators like arithmetic, relational, increment, decrement, conditional, logical, bitwise, and some special operator. We saw how to create expression using different operator and how to evaluate them. Finally, we saw 4 storage class that C provide to us. Here we complete our chapter. You must be write all descriptive and objective question in your notebook. Your notebook should be completed at the time of exam. In exam, you should be only objective data type.